Hello, it's 18th day of the 30 Days of Code Challenge. The name of the challenge is Queues and Stacks. Okay, let's read the problem statement. So, we have a string S. We need to check if it is a palindrome or not. The palindrome is sequence of characters which reads the same backwards and forwards. So, for example, race car. It's a palindrome because if we read this forward, we get race a car, and we read this backwards, we also get race a car. So it's a palindrome. Okay. Then our tasks are define two variables, stack and queue, and define a method called push character that pushes a character onto a stack. Okay. Define enqueue character that enqueues a character in the queue. Okay. Define a pop character function that pops and returns a character at the top of the stack. Okay. Dequeue character function that dequeues the character, the first character of queue. Okay. Okay, then let's define two variables. Def ish self.stack. It's going to be empty array and self.queue. It's also going to be empty array. Okay. Then first task is done. The second task is define a function. Def push character self. It has a variable called ch for character. We need to push this character to the stack. So self.stack.append ch. We are pushing. Okay. Then def enqueue character. It has also a variable called ch for character. It enqueues a character in the queue. Okay, self.queue.append ch. Okay. We have a third function called pop character. Def pop character doesn't have any parameters as themselves. Okay. It pops the top element, the last inserted element. So as we are using the array, the append function inserts the elements at the end. So we are going to pop the last element of the array, stack array. Okay, self.stack.pop. There is a function called pop. if pop function requires index, so our index is length of that array minus 1. Yeah, self dot stack. Okay, we are going to return that, and we have a function called dq character. It doesn't have any parameters other than self term. As a property of the queue, the dequeuing element is as the first inserted element into the queue. So we are going to return the first element. Self dot queue dot pop 0. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, sample test cases are passed. Let's submit this code. Okay, great. All test cases are passed. We have solved this problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to challenge yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.